Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This simple and short video is about fixing the issue with playing GTA 5 enhanced version. While trying to play the game, you got an error of you were kicked from the session by BattlEye. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There is a simple fix for it. Go ahead and launch the Rockstar Games launcher into your system. Then click on this settings option, scroll down and you will find the option of BattlEye. If it is enabled, go ahead and uncheck it. After disabling the BattlEye, close the Rockstar Games launcher even from the system tray icon also. After closing Rockstar Games launcher, click on start menu and type CMD. Choose the option run as administrator. Now type here a simple command sc space delete space be service. Once pasted the command, hit the enter key. Once you got the status delete service success, close it. Now again you need to launch the Rockstar Games launcher into your system. Now once it is started, again go to the settings menu and this time enable the BattlEye option available right over here. After enabling the BattlEye, go ahead and relaunch the game and hopefully this will fix out the issue of you were kicked from the session by BattlEye. However, if this doesn't work, I have created a detailed video on how to fix this particular issue. Go ahead, watch this video, get the link in the description of this video, watch it and this will 100% fix out the issue of BattlEye where you were kicked from the session. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video worked out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.